folks, I have a tenor guitar to show you today. This is 1008. It's for our friend Shelly. We started with some back and sides from our friend Kath on Vashon Island, and I did not expect the walnut to be this colorful and curly. It's really nice. And then it's got a redwood top that's scraps from a guitar maker. Really old, fine-grained redwood. It's got walnut neck, the walnut fretboard head plate and bridge, little moon inlay there, rope binding. And then she sent me a chunk of koa that she had gotten as a souvenir. So I used that koa for the inlay, and then for the heel cap, and then for the end graft, and for the little custom strap buttons I made here. 2 little koa strap buttons I made on the lathe. So that was a fun little project. Yeah, it's got a real it's got a real sweet and pleasing tone, but I think if you hit it plenty hard, it'll be plenty loud. A really cool project, and I'm really proud of it. So there you go, 1008. Cheers.